The Apex Optics Rival X. They are currently probably one of the better high-end optics for the price point on the market. It's got a 34mm main tube, 56mm objective. It's got 32mm of total elevation. The X has the 10mm per rotation turret. The throw lever is an additional extra you can purchase and install on top. It does come with a throw lever, but this is a reverse throw lever. The parallax spinner is also an additional extra you can purchase afterwards. They do come with flip-up caps. They do come with sunshades, and they are backed by the Apex Optics lifetime warranty, the Apex Oath. These optics are super quality, really tactile turrets. They've got clear glass, the CLR2 mil reticle, competition reticle. So yes, the Apex Optics Rival X 4 to 32 by 56.